Hi, if you wanna disable screenshot sound on your Honor Magic 7 Lite as a first step, let me show you how it will sound when enabled. So let's just take a screenshot with the help of default way by pressing and holding power button and volume down buttons at the same time. And let's try this out again. So that is how it will sound. If you would like to turn off that sound, then go in settings. Here, you need to choose the step sounds and vibration, then scroll down and pick more settings. After that, you should see this switch or new screenshot, so you need to tap it once and it will become gray and it will be disabled. So now let's try this out again. And yes, no screenshot sound. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.